Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're going to whip up a perfect vacation snack that's not only affordable and delicious but also super easy to make. That's right, we're talking about homemade pineapple salsa with tortilla chips. This refreshing and zesty salsa is bursting with flavors and makes a great snack for any occasion, especially when you're enjoying a relaxing vacation. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of fresh pineapple, diced. Make sure to choose a ripe pineapple for maximum sweetness and flavor. Half cup of diced red bell pepper. This adds a lovely crunch and vibrant color to the salsa. 1/4 cup of diced red onion. For a hint of sharpness and color contrast. 1 jalapeno pepper, finely chopped. Adjust the amount depending on your spice preference. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. This brings a burst of freshness to the salsa. Juice of 1 lime. To add brightness and a tangy kick. Salt and pepper to taste, to season the salsa just right. We'll also need some tortilla chips for serving, but you can choose your favorite brand or even make your own if you like. Alright, let's get started with the prep work. First, let's chop up our fresh pineapple. If you haven't already, cut off the top and bottom of the pineapple, then slice off the skin. Cut the pineapple into quarters lengthwise and remove the core from each quarter. Then, dice the pineapple into small, bite-sized pieces. Next up, let's tackle the red bell pepper. Cut off the top and remove the seeds and ribs. Slice the pepper into thin strips, then dice it into small pieces. Add the diced pepper to the bowl with the pineapple. Now, let's move on to the red onion. Peel the outer layer and slice the onion in half. Make small horizontal cuts, then vertical cuts to create a fine dice. Add the diced onion to the bowl. It's time for the jalapeno pepper. Be cautious with this one because it can be quite spicy. Remove the stem, slice the pepper in half lengthwise, and scrape out the seeds and ribs for less heat. Finely chop the pepper and add it to the bowl. Now, let's chop the fresh cilantro. Give the cilantro a good rinse, then chop it roughly. Add the chopped cilantro to the bowl. To finish off the salsa, let's add the juice of 1 lime. This adds a bright, tangy flavor that ties everything together. Cut the lime in half and squeeze the juice directly into the bowl. Now that all our ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to season with salt and pepper to taste. Start with a pinch of each, and adjust as needed. Now, let's give everything a good mix. Use a spoon or spatula to combine all the ingredients, making sure the flavors meld together beautifully. And there you have it, folks. Our homemade pineapple salsa is ready to enjoy. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. This colorful and refreshing salsa is perfect for dipping tortilla chips, topping grilled meats, or even serving with fish tacos. The possibilities are endless. Let's give it a taste. Grab a tortilla chip, scoop up some salsa, and give it a try. Absolutely delicious. The sweetness of the pineapple pairs perfectly with the tangy lime juice, while the red bell pepper and onion add a satisfying crunch. The jalapeno gives it just the right amount of kick, and the fresh cilantro brings everything together. It's a party in your mouth. We hope you enjoyed this easy and affordable recipe for homemade pineapple salsa with tortilla chips. It's perfect for any vacation, party, or casual snacking moment. Remember to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.